Jesus Christ.
It came off. You want some bearing pieces?
What the fuck happened here?
Fucking rear-ended me. It was Jim?
What type of bolt is that? Metal?
Oh no. It's perfect. And last night, and he...
Hey there, sexy.
Oh, he loves the fucking torquing shit down. Jesus. I think I bent the ratchet. Ow. Jesus. Found my oil leak.
Now sniff. It's not supposed to be that color.
The throw-up bearing has plenty of lubrication. My training's not silver, it's black.
You say something? See that? It looks like you fuck it up every time and then it works.
Jesus Christ. I don't even need any fucking bolts. What the fuck did he use? Rock and roll? Yeah, rocks do that. Oh my god. So. My pinky.
Oh.
That shit's been spraying. Is that an actual gasket too?
Oh, that's first can.
Oh wait.
God's common tube. Or TV.
What?
What the fuck happened to that?
I don't know.
I don't think it's supposed to make that noise.
It's like a turn signal.
It's still in good shape.
Might be the only thing on this car that's in good shape.
Pretty much, including the driver.
Damn. That fits.
Where's the big ugger dugger? Spinny spin spine.
That has a noise.
This was silver? Number 2. That didn't do shit. Came right off. It's got extra lubrication.
It also looks bent.
I really like that in the corner of all of this video is just you sitting there with your thing going,
It's making fun of my ADHD.
a little bit.
We do have to take that out.
Those are definitely stripped. Hey, that's one.
20%?
That's more contribution than I've made in the last 3 hours.
It's still in there really fucking tight.
Matt, Ty, would you want me to run to Safeway and get you guys some chips or something? How much metal was in there?
Ty, the bearing came off.
It's not supposed to do that.
Your shaft is fine, Matt.
What? I don't know that's how that's supposed to
I
look.
think the bearing is gone.
It's not supposed to come off like that. Ty, we broke it.
Oh my god!
Jesus Christ.
It came off. You want some bearing pieces?
What the fuck happened here? What the hell?
Just because it fits in the hole doesn't mean it's perfect.
What the fuck?
Don't tell me what to do.
It almost looks new.
Warm. Ah, don't make me touch it. Fuck you.
That should be on there tight enough.
You did it.
We did it.
You did it.
We did it.
You did it.
Can I die now? Please?
I mean, if it comes down to it,
I would have hit it with brake cleaner to clean off the threads. And then I want to. Okay, whatever.
You think I care? It's not like I'm gonna be in this again.
No, but I don't want to have to re-drill out that.
That's already. This thing is so fucking crushed. Oh, fuck.
Fuck!
It'll be fine.
It's either now or never. I say we do it. Grab the grease.
Is that greased?
I'm gonna let him do it so I don't fuck it up. And if it breaks.
If then it's his fault. You're a genius.
My thingies!
Did you hit my camera with that?
Hit your case.
Okay, that's fine.
You can also see the full extent of what your XB did.
That one's stripped.
My fucking god.
I think this thing's been in a ditch. Oh. You just lost a lot of weight there. Your car should feel faster.
Let's go! Go, baby! To fucking sniff.
Which one of these is oil? Oh, that's oil. Oh shit, we're squirting everywhere.
What?
Just got a little bit of that drip drip.
That drip drip?
The good drip drip.
Drip drip?
Yeah.
Drip drip. Wait, no, that's not what I meant.
Forbidden water to create rainbows. I made modern art. It's abstract. You wouldn't get it because you're not a millennial. Fuck.
How close can I get before it becomes irritating?
Please don't stop, Daddy.
Like, is it blocking your vision?
Oh, fuck yeah.
You fogged up my camera, you bitch.
Ah! Just gotta finger the car just right.
What?
Fuck.
Airbag. That don't sound quite right. You just coughed shit on my fucking hand, you bitch.
Here's second. Kicks me out there, but I can go into it when driving now. I think what was keeping the clutch alive was all the oil. Alright, well, I'm gonna do a pull real quick.
Second gear.
Nope.
No second.
Third doesn't work.
Third doesn't work.
I have second back now, though.
So all of this was from like a month ago. I don't have a happy ending. The third gear is still fucked. It's actually gotten worse, and it hasn't been fixed. That's it, I guess.
But sometimes it'll kick me out. Well, it doesn't like idling. If I try and take off in second, it'll just kick me out.